The Pro Touch Off Gauge by Edge Technology is a must-have accessory for any CNC milling machine. It is designed to quickly and accurately acquire your tool offsets. This gauge will dramatically decrease setup time and eliminate tool path mismatch, ensuring every job is set up the same way and runs without issue. When we say dramatically reduce setup time, we mean it. This clip shows 4 tools being perfectly set in under a minute. To use this gauge, just lower the tool down onto the contact face until the indicator reads 0. At that point, you can be confident the tool tip is exactly 4 inches from the surface the Pro Touch Off Gauge is sitting on. The large indicator face can easily be read from outside the machine. It also allows you to see tool movements as small as 1/10,000th of an inch, guaranteeing that your tools will be set perfectly every time. It is typical for cutting tools to have slight variations in flute length. To compensate for this issue, the Pro Touch Off Gauge has a large 1-inch contact face that allows all of the tool flutes to contact the gauge at the same time. This method automatically sets the tool from its longest flute. The rectangular base and recessed indicator face of the Pro Touch Off Gauge is designed to work well with any parallel bar setup. With an offset height of exactly 4 inches, the Pro Touch Off Gauge can easily be calibrated using a few 1-2-3 blocks. With the affordable cost of the Pro Touch Off Gauge, it is easy to justify the upgrade from shim stock, paper, gauge blocks, or other inferior techniques that are currently being used to set tools. If you want to spend less time on setup and more time cutting chips, visit us at edgetechnologyproducts.com and pick up yours today. Edge Technology has an entire product line dedicated to increasing your shop's efficiency. The following are a few examples of the products we offer. For more details, visit us at edgetechnologyproducts.com.